Hey, what's up, guys? It's Brandon with Taylorsfiresmoke Cooking. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be doing up some air-fried chicken thighs. Quick, simple recipe. We're going to season our chicken up with some Weber honey garlic seasoning, a little bit of Uncle Steve's Shake smoke bomb, and we're going to use a little bit of Kingsford garlic and herb seasoning. We're going to use a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and going to go from there. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead on and take some of this chicken out of my pack. We just have a big fat pack of chicken thighs today, but I'm only going to use probably about 7 or 8 to feed the family today, and we're going to freeze the rest. So let me go ahead on and get a knife, and then we'll go ahead and get this chicken cleaned up, seasoned up, and get it cooked up. All right, guys, like I said, I'm probably going to use about 7 or 8, probably 7. So I'm just go ahead and grab out 4 of these real quick to put in the freezer. All right. All right, so what you want to do, you just want to make sure you get all your fat and excess skin off your chicken. That's what we're going to do here. Other than that, it looks pretty good. And then once we get them cleaned up and the fat off them, I'm going to go ahead and get them washed off. But just doesn't have a whole lot of skin on it, but just all the excess. Go ahead and get that cut off and go from there. So, you know, kind of cut it up or clean it up as best as you like or to your liking. One thing I do want to do is, if not frying it, we're air frying it. So the stuff, if we were frying it, a lot of this skin I wouldn't necessarily care about because I just fry it up, and, you know, fried chicken skin is delicious. But when you're air frying it, sometimes it makes for a little bit of rubbery type skin. So I like to kind of clean that up. Like I say, get a lot of the fat off of it. But this chicken is pretty good. So I'm going to finish doing that, getting them cleaned up, getting the fat and everything off of them. I'm going to get them washed up. Then we'll go ahead and get them seasoned. So, guys, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys right back. All right, family, we got our chicken all washed up and cleaned up. Now we're going to go ahead and get it seasoned up. So what I'm going to do, I just want to take a little bit of olive oil, get it in the bowl. I'm going to take my hand and just go ahead and mix all that chicken around. Make sure that I can get all the chicken coated with some of that oil. That way, when I season it, we're going to make sure that the seasoning adheres and gets on all this chicken. So we're going to start off with some of this Uncle Steve's smoke bomb. This is a really delicious seasoning. It's not heavy on salt. It's really heavy on black pepper and smoked paprika and stuff like that. Garlic and different spices like that. So I like it because it does have that peppery, smoky note to it, but also because it's going to give our chicken some really nice color. And I don't have to worry about adding any black pepper, you know, to our chicken. So, you know, Uncle Steve's products are really, really good. Highly recommend them. I've tried many of his products, the sweet and spicier and the spicier and the chicken and shake and all that stuff. So make sure you guys give that a try. I'll put the link down in the description box if you want to give it a try. So we're going to go, you know, fairly heavy with our smoke bomb. All right, now we're going to come with this Weber honey garlic. If you've never tried this, I highly recommend this too. You can just pick this up at Walmart or Sam's Club. That's where I purchased mine from. It's really good. It's a sweet garlicky seasoning. Does have some salt in it. It's not heavy on salt. It's more heavier on the sweet and the garlic, but you got your salt there. And then on, you know, chicken and some fish is really good, like salmon. If you're smoking some salmon or baking some off, it's really good with that. And then our Weber garlic and herb, just for a little bit of that zesty zang to your chicken. It's going to have your herbs and a little bit of a lemon note to it too as well. So adds your aromatics in there to your bird. So we got our chicken seasoned up real good. You can see how it's looking, how that seasoning is sticking to the meat. It's what you want. That's what we're looking for. So we're going to go ahead on and get over to this air fryer and start getting this chicken cooked up. So be right back, guys. See you in just a sec. All right, guys, I have my air fryer preheating to 385. I'm going to cook this chicken for about 25 minutes, and we're going to flip it halfway through. So what I want to do now, I want to go ahead and begin to put my chicken in, but I'm going to put it in, start it off initially with the skin side down. That way, when we're finishing up the cook, the skin has a chance to crisp up. So I'm going to take my, open up my basket, take a little bit of olive oil spray the basket in here, and then put our thighs in. Like I said, we're going to go skin side down. And then we're going to flip halfway through. Alrighty. Put that one here. All right. Got it in there. Now it's time to let it cook. We'll see you guys back in about 15 minutes. See you in a minute. All right, guys, we've had our chicken going for about 13 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and pull it out in time to flip it. But you can see how good it's looking already. It's starting to brown up really nicely. Starting to pull back a little bit from the bone. So it's cooking perfectly and it's cooking the way that we want. But like I said, now we just want to flip it over a little bit. Allow this chicken, the skin to start getting crispy. Just going to pull. Turn that bad boy over. Because you can see cooking it like that, how the skin is kind of rubbery. And that's not what you want with your chicken. So, but the bottom half is definitely nice and crispy. So now we're flipping it over. We're going to get the same result with our skin. And it's going to have that perfect, delicious skin that you're looking for on your fried chicken. So that's all we're going to do now. Flip it over. Go back in the air fryer and let it do its thing for the rest of the time. And when it's done, we're going to bring you guys back in and we're going to see the finished results. All right, guys, the chicken is done. Ooh, look at that. That skin is good and crispy. Nice and golden brown. Ooh, looking good. I'm just going to let it rest for a little bit while I get the rest of our dinner together. Then we'll bring you in. I'll let you see what the inside is looking like. All right, my people, dinner is ready. We got our air fried chicken thighs. We have a little rice, some broccoli. But you want to see what the chicken is all about, so I'm going to go ahead and show you. Nice look at the chicken. Look at that color on that chicken. Cooked up really good. Smells fire. Get a bite. So good. I don't know if you heard the crunch or not. Definitely crispy. The smokiness from the Uncle Steve's. That Weber honey garlic, I'm telling you, is a game changer. If you haven't tried that, give it a shot. Especially on baked chicken, air fried chicken. It's bomb. But take a look at that bird. Cooked perfectly, nice and juicy. Y'all, you give this recipe a shot, man. You will not be disappointed, I promise you. That's good stuff. So, hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you're a subscriber and you may not have hit that notification bell already, make sure you hit that bell. Share the video. Let some of your friends know what we have going on over here. And I'll just appreciate you guys watching. Till the next time, just to let you know, I appreciate all your support. The channel's continually growing, and I thank God and I thank you guys for that. And I just pray that you guys continue to rock with me, and I have some more stuff coming your way. So till the next time, guys, God bless you, and I'll see you around. Mm, mm, mm.